told the bitch to meet me at the W. You fucking with a winner, that's the W. And we on the west side, that's the W. She wanna be my woman crush Wednesday.
I'm too geek. Like, one thing y'all gonna realize if you keep watching me, I love getting my hair done. I love doing my hair. I want to be a hair done. How do I sign up to be a hair done? I love it. Like, it's nothing that beats getting a new wig, getting some new braids or something. Like, nothing beats it. So I'm actually gonna come back after I cut out all this shit. So hold on. So I got it cut out, and I just see the bad bitch in me rising up out, and it's just hard to contain. y'all before I melt it for bedtime. I just color my shit. Y'all gonna see how late it is when I take out this scarf. Hold on.